Okay, Mira ma'am, let's begin the class. Sit in any comfortable position. Spine straight. Adopt Gyanar Chin Mudra. Place your palm on knee. Eyes closed. Inhale deeply. Exhale slowly. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale for 3 times Om together. Om. 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 Opening mantra, repeat after me. Yogena cettasya padena vacham malam sarirasya cha vaidyakena yopakarotam pravaram muninam patanjalim pranjaliranatosmi. One time Om. Om. Join your both palm together in front of heart center. Bow down your head towards God, towards Mother Nature. Rub your both palm. Apply an eyes. Slowly and gently while blinking, open your eyes. Om Shanti. Ma'am, why are not repeating mantra, chanting mantra?
Sir, I think I'm on mute. That's why I didn't hear because I was repeating.
Okay, okay. Thank you. So today's topic is skeletal system. Write down. Skeletal system. skeletal. skeletal. Skeletal system. Also known as skeleton. You can say skeletal system or skeleton. skeleton. So What is the function of a skeletal system? It provides structure. It provides structure and protects the internal organs. It provides structure and protects the internal organs. There is two type of skeletal system. There is two type of skeletal system. First one is exoskeleton. EXO. Exoskeleton. SKELETON. Exoskeleton. An exoskeleton is the outer covering. An exoskeleton is the outer covering present on some animals. Present on some animals like ant, A-N-T, ant, snail, snail, conch, etc. Second one is endoskeleton. Endoskeleton. In this system, bones present inside the body. In this system, bones present inside the body. All mammals comes in this category. All mammals, including human. Next point is human skeleton. Human skeleton. HUMAN. Human skeleton. There are 206 bones, 206 bones in human skeleton. And 206 bones are divided into two groups. These 206 bones are divided into two groups. Newborn baby have 300 bones. Newborn baby have 300 bones. 206 bones. 206 bones comes in exist after fusion of many bones. Now write down first group of human skeleton is axial skeleton. AXIAL. Axial skeleton. AXIAL SKELETON. In axial skeleton there is 80 bones. 80 bones. 80. 1 minute. Bali Yoga School. Students of Bali Yoga School.
Yeah, Bali Yoga School, yeah.
Yeah, please join on time. Don't
What?
be late. Join on time.
Huh?
Please join
Can you
on
repeat?
time in class.
Just now our earlier class finished, sir.
But
Immediately we are logging in.
The class just finished.
Tell him to end up the session early.
What time your session starts, sir?
We are
11?
going to say to our teacher. We are going to say to our teacher.
Okay.
What?
I am waiting here from 17 minutes.
You are starting at 11, sir?
Yeah.
Okay, we will inform the teacher from tomorrow.
Okay. You supposed to come 15 minutes before here. 15 to 17 minutes before.
But we have a class. I don't
Okay,
know
okay.
if we can like.
Okay.
Shorten.
I am going to raise a complaint. So concentrate on class. Axial skeleton. In this system, there is 80 bones, 80 bones. It includes all the bones along the body's central axis. All the bones along the body's central axis. Which includes skull. This part is known as skull or upper portion. This portion is known as skull. Skull including middle ear bones, MIDDLE, middle ear bones, hyoid bone, HYOID, hyoid bone, HYOID, hyoid bone, that is tongue bone, vertebral column, VERTEBRAL, vertebral column, and thoracic cage. This one is thoracic cage. Clear? Axial skeleton have 80 bones. It includes skull, including middle ear bones and hyoid bone, vertebral column, and thoracic cage. Clear? How there is 80 bones? In a skull, there is 22 bones. 22 bones in a skull. Listen. I will tell again. 22 bones in a skull plus 6 ear bones, middle ear bones. There is 6 middle ear bones, 3 each side. And 1 hyoid bone, that is tongue bone. Means 22 plus 6 plus 1, 22 plus 7, 29 bones. 29 bones in here. Present in the head region. 22 bones in skull, but in head we have 29 bones. Because 6 ear bones and 1 head bone not counted in skull part. All the bones, 22 plus 7 bones, counted in head part, head region, but not in skull. We have 26 bones in vertebral column. 26 bones in vertebral column, but there is 33 vertebrae. 26 bones, but 33 vertebrae. And we have 25 bones in thoracic cage, that is rib cage. 24 ribs and 1 flat bone in middle of the chest. That is known as sternum. The name of this bone is sternum. So 24 ribs and 1 sternum. There is 25 bones. 29 plus 26 plus 25. Total 80 bones. Clear? Mariana ma'am, you are mute. Okay.
Did you say 29 vertebral bones or 26 vertebral? 26 vertebral.
In vertebral column, there is 26 bones.
Okay. So
but
what?
33 vertebrae are there. Because here, sacrum and coccyx.
Oh, the sacrum and the coccyx. Okay. Yeah.
Next, after fusion of vertebrae.
Yeah. Okay.
There is 5 vertebrae in sacrum and 4 vertebrae in coccyx.
Yeah.
Clear?
Yeah. S1 to S5. Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
So next point is appendicular skeleton. APPENDICULAR. Appendicular skeleton. There is 126 bones in appendicular skeleton. 126 bones. It includes pectoral girdle, PECTORAL, pectoral girdle, that is also known as shoulder girdle. This girdle, GIRDLE. Upper limbs, UPPER, upper limbs, LIMBS. Pelvic girdle, PELVIC. Pelvic girdle or hip girdle. PELVIC. Pelvic girdle or hip girdle. And lower limbs, that is our thigh bone, leg bones and foot bones. So appendicular skeleton consists of pectoral girdle, upper limb, pelvic girdle and lower limbs. Clear?
Lower limb consists of what are also? 3 you said thigh bone, and what are the other 2?
Thigh bones, I will teach you in detail. Just listen here. Thigh bone, the name of thigh bone is femur. And the 2 leg bones is there, tibia and fibula. And after that, there is foot bones. So look here. First, pectoral girdle. Pectoral girdle have 4 bones, 2 each side. Back side, there is 2 scapula, also known as shoulder blade. There is 2 scapula, left side and right side. Triangular shape bone. And in front side, 2 clavicle bones. Collarbones are there. Is it visible? Collarbones. Miraya ma'am. Clear? Okay. Next, upper limb. Our upper limb have 30 bone each side. 30 bones each side. Look here. The upper arm bone is humerus. Upper arm bone is humerus. There is single bone. Lower arm bones, there is 2 bones. Radius and ulna. Radius present at thumb side and ulna present at pinky finger side. Radius and ulna. Radius is stronger than ulna. Then there is 8 carpal bones. 8 carpal bones. Wrist bones. Wrist bones. Only wrist bones, not palm bones. There is 8 carpal bones, also known as wrist bones. Wrist bones are known as carpal bones. After carpal, there is 5 phalanges, 5 metacarpals, not phalanges, 5 metacarpals. Our palm bones. Look, back side of palm, there is 5 bones, 5 phalanges, including thumb. 5 metacarpals are there. After 5 metacarpals, there is 14 phalanges, finger bones. Each finger has 3 bones. Look in your finger. Each finger has 3 bones. 2 folds are there. So each finger has 3 bones, and our thumb have 2 bones. Our thumb have 2 bones. So 3 into 4 plus 2, there is 14 bones. 14 bones known as phalanges. 14 phalanges. Okay. So how many bones in one side? 1 humerus, 1 radius, 1 ulna. 3 bones up to here. 8 carpal. 8, 3, 11. 5 metacarpal. 11, 5, 16. Plus 14 phalanges. 16 plus 14, 30. Same 30 right side and 30 left side. Total 60 bones in upper limb. How many bones? 60. Miraya ma'am, unmute yourself.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Total 60 bones in upper limb and 4 bones in pectoral girdle. Okay. And there is 2 hip bones, hip coxa. 2 hip bones. Each side 1 bone. 1 hip bone right side, 1 hip bone left side. This single hip bone formed after fusion of 3 bones: ilium, pubic bone, and ischium. There is 3 bones: ilium, pubic bone, and ischium. It forms after fusion of 3 bones. So 3, 3, 6 bones, but there is only 2 bones because 3 bones fuse to make 1 single hip bone.
Okay.
And come to lower limb. Our lower limb also have 30 bones each side, like upper limb. Upper limb have 30 bone each side. Lower limb also have 30 bone each side. The first bone is femur, that is thigh bone. Thigh bone known as femur. The name of thigh bone is femur. This is the largest and biggest bone of human body. Second is patella. What is patella? Our kneecap. Kneecap is patella. Then come to lower leg. Not lower leg, this is leg. Actually, this is not upper leg, this is thigh. Thigh, come after thigh, leg. In leg, we have two bones. The first one is tibia and second is fibula. Tibia and fibula. Tibia is the strongest and longer bone in leg, and it is weight bearing bone. Tibia is weight bearing bone. Fibula is stabilizing bone. Fibula is stabilizer. When we balancing our asana on one leg or balancing asanas, we doing both leg with balance. Then fibula stabilize us for one leg balancing or foot balancing. Then come to lower portion, foot bones. We have 7 tarsal ankle bones. Ankle bones known as tarsal. So there is 7 tarsal bones. In wrist, there is 8 carpal. 8 carpal, but here is 7 tarsal. 5, because there is no bone at elbow joint, and here one patella is there.
Your voice is getting echoed, sir. We couldn't hear properly.
Sir, actually, we all are on unmute. That's why your voice is echoing.
Okay. Now clear? Seven bones in tarsal.
So we need to go on mute or else your voice will echo.
Okay. 7 bones in tarsal. Now
So somebody is there who's, I think there's somebody who's on unmute.
Who's BRDL? Because they're on mute. Whoever BRDL is, that person is on mute or is still on, should unmute, needs to mute their, whatchamacallit, their WhatsApp, because it's echoing. So whoever BRDL is.
Yeah.
Okay, let's try again. Now clear? Okay. So there is 5 metatarsal. 5 metatarsal. After tarsal, there is 5 metatarsal. Those are foot bones. Our foot bones are metatarsal bones. After metatarsal, there is 14 phalanges like fingers. Here also 14 phalanges in foot. It means our toe bones. Our toe bones are 14 in number. 12 in number, 4 toes, 5th toe, fourth toe, third toe, and second toe, and 2 bones in our big toe. Clear? So there is 126 bones in appendicular skeleton and 80 bones in axial skeleton. 80 plus 126, total 20206, means 206 bones are there. Now write down next point, axial skeleton. Axial skeleton in detail. AXIAL. Axial skeleton. Now my voice is clear. Okay.
So this one person needs to go on mute, or else your voice will keep on echoing.
Axial skeleton protects internal organs. Axial skeleton protects our internal organs. Write down. Axial skeleton protects our internal organs like lungs, heart, kidney, abdominal organs, and lower abdominal organs. Clear? Axial skeleton consists sorry. What is this?
Maybe we can just, so this BRDL person is clearly not there. Maybe we can just close, like kick them out.
But this
Because
problem,
they're not there. They're not actually there. And I just asked people outside if one of them was them, and they said no. So this person is clearly not actually attending the session. So we can kick them out. I think you have to do it though, because you're the moderator. You just have to close their.
okay, so everybody go to mute. Axial skeleton have 3 parts. Axial skeleton have 3 parts. The skull, first one is the skull. 22 bones. Plus middle ear bones, plus middle ear bones, and hyoid bone, HYOID, hyoid bone. Middle ear bones are 6 in number and hyoid bone 1 in number. Skull rests on upper end of vertebral column. Skull rests on upper end of vertebral column. It rests on upper end of vertebral column. It supports and protects. It supports and protects our brain and structures of face. It is divided into two groups. The first one is cranium. Bones. CRANIAM. Cranium. NIUM. Or you can write down cranial. 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 And second one is facial. 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 School of Bali Yoga School. Students of Bali Yoga School, you have your class now? You have class?
Yes, sir. 11:45 we have class.
Yeah, we have alignment, I think.
What is time now? 11:45?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So let us close the class, but come on time.
I know we have another class beforehand, and then anyways, we'll try. It's just hard because.
Okay. So enough for today. We will move tomorrow towards cranial and facial bones.
Okay. Thank you.
So sit in any comfortable position. Spine straight. Adopt Gyanarchin Chin Mudra, eyes closed. Inhale deeply. Exhale slowly. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale for one time Om. 3 Shanti together. Om. Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Join your both palm together in front of heart center. Bow down your head towards God, towards Mother Nature. Rub your both palms. Apply an eyes slowly and gently while blinking. Open your eyes. Om Shanti. Thank you for joining the class. We will meet again tomorrow.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
We'll come on time.
Okay.
Okay, hi.